Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Madsense Profits. Now this is a new product by Brendan Mace and it's due to be released on March the 17th at 9 AM Eastern. Now I'm going to go through this product in some detail. We'll go into the members area, I'll show you around, and then we'll talk about the actual method. Now essentially this is building blogs with monetization through AdSense. This is what the product's all about. So I'm going to talk to you about, kind of how you build blogs and the types of things you need to look out for. And also we'll have a look at a handy AdSense calculator that's going to show you exactly how many visitors you need to make any kind of good revenue out of these types of blogs. I'm going to go through this in a lot of detail, guys. Now, as usual, these are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. And the idea of the reviews is that you just got a little bit more information before you go ahead and spend your hard-earned money on these types of products. So, guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. You haven't been over to this channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And if you're looking to build a real, long-term, sustainable business online, I've got a completely free resource. You'll see it over on the School of Nomads in the description below. Go ahead, join that, and it'll teach you how to build a business from scratch completely for free. So let's jump straight into this, guys. I want to talk to you about this method. Looking at the sales page, very simple, usual thing. Basically, they're talking about building a blog. So you've got a three-step process here. You choose your topic or a niche, you activate the automated profit site, and then you monetize with AdSense in just one click. So let's jump straight inside, and I'm going to show you around. So here I am inside the actual dashboard. Now you've got a basic dashboard here, and basically this is a super simple page builder again. So, one big issue I see with these is it's hosted by them. So anything that you actually make on this isn't going to be under your control. It's going to be under their actual site. So it's going to be part of the Madsense site, which is a problem because you don't know whether it's going to be maintained in the long term. And also it's very hard to rank anything that's built like this. It really is. So what you're essentially doing is building blogs, right? And you're building blogs depending on whatever niche you're interested in. And then you're putting AdSense on those blogs. So there's nothing wrong with that method. It can work, right? But one big thing I will say is that you need a lot of traffic to make some really good money. And I'm actually going to demonstrate to you why. So let's go ahead and look at what types of blogs you can have here. So first of all, let's go and create a new blog. You can go ahead and select some articles here to add to your blog. You can go ahead and give it a title, give it an author name. Then you can go ahead and add an affiliate link here if you want to add that to your particular article. I'm going to show you actual examples of this. Go ahead and add an anchor text affiliate link here. Then you can go ahead and put your AdSense codes in here. So you will have to have a Google account. You will have to be registered with Google with your bank account details to get AdSense, because that's the way that they pay you. So you have a verified bank account, all of that good stuff. You can't just go ahead and grab a code. You need to be verified. Then you go ahead and you can put some pixels in there if you want to be tracking things, and you go ahead and publish. Now, if I go ahead and just manage the blogs, I can actually show you some examples. So this one is one they called affiliate marketing opportunities, and basically it looks like this. So obviously somebody's not finished that. Let me look at this video marketing opportunities one, this one. So this is what your blog's going to be like. So it's just a very basic page. Here's your AdSense here. You can put AdSense up here as well, I noticed, and that's really it. So you can go ahead and put these articles in, and people come along, read the articles, and there you go. That's your blog. So it's not very sophisticated. You'll see another AdSense article up here, or AdSense ad up here. The issue here is when I read through some of these articles that they're providing, they are quite gibberish. If I read this one, it says, it seems, since if by chance entertainment selections go on and expand, where once the web offered short clip movie clips, it is finally possible and purchase as well as acquire movie as well as cable TV vids, all for storage. So you can see, guys, that is gibberish. So these articles that they're providing are not going to be very good. The other thing I noticed when I actually go back to creating a blog, if I just go ahead and add an article here, I can take one of these and actually run a plagiarism check on the article, right? So I went ahead and did that, and the article was this one here, whether you're an employer who manages the wages of other employees. I run the plagiarism check on it, and it was 82% plagiarized. So basically, these aren't unique articles. So why does that matter? When you're building a blog, one thing is you need it on your own website and you need it on your own domain so that you're in control of the blog. Now that's not that expensive. You can start off by having a $10 domain name and you can have $5 a month for web hosting. WordPress is free. You can use something like Eliminator, which is free to build your pages. None of that's that expensive when you start off, right? That's what you want to be doing if you're serious about building a business online. The other thing you need to be doing is putting unique content in that blog. Google does not like duplicate content and it won't rank anywhere. The only way that you ever get any money from Adsense is if people come to your blog and they actually view things and click on things. Sounds self-explanatory, but that's the only way that it works. If you've got no visitors, you'll never make any money. It doesn't matter if it's affiliate marketing, CPA, through AdSense, it really doesn't matter. You're not going to make any kind of money from any kind of products like these. So using their articles is not going to work because clearly they're not all unique, right? So it's not going to work for you. If you're then going ahead and using their done for you articles or the done for you sites that they're providing, there'll be multiple people using the same site, right? So again, not unique, nothing's going to rank, complete waste of your time. So if I just come back, the other traffic source they're showing you is the usual instant traffic source here, which is these major blogs. So if I just come here and pick one of these sites, look at these sites. This is your instant traffic, guys. Now, if you've ever been to one of my reviews before, if you've got no following on any of these social media sites, you're completely and utterly wasting your time sharing them. I've got an account with Blogger. I've got nobody who actually follows me on there. I post stuff on Blogger, it gets no views, right? It's just a complete waste of time. So essentially that's what all of these are. These are a complete waste of time unless you've got some kind of following to share your blog. So there's no traffic there either, guys. The other thing I was going to go through is the AdSense itself. So if you come over to Google AdSense and look at their calculator here, you can come down and you can figure out, based on the area you are and the type of business that your blog is, how much traffic it's likely to get. So go ahead and click on the actual category and country here. So come along here, say you're in North America, right? And I have got a blog that is about auto vehicles. I can calculate it, and based on 50,000 page views monthly now, I would get $7,000 a year, right? So you can make money with AdSense. Obviously, the more page views you have, the more rich you'll get. But you just got to think about, if you have one of these blogs, even if it's unique, when you're first starting out, you're hardly going to get any views. It takes a lot to get to anywhere this range to get views, okay? So 7,000 a month is around about $500 a month. Great money if you can get 50,000 views, right? Because it's easy. You just put your content there. AdSense builds up every month. I've got it on my YouTube channel. You can see I advertise on my YouTube channel. And I get around 700 visitors a day. I get around $500, $600 a month, depending on what the month is. So you can see that you need a lot of visitors to get the revenue. That's the issue with the AdSense. So it's not as easy as they make out, but it is possible. But what you do need to do, guys, is you need a high quality blog with a nice page builder with content that people actually want to come along and view time and time again. You really do. And Madsense Profits, I'm afraid, is not the product that's going to be able to deliver you that. So I would say keep away from products like this. I really would advise you to get a domain name for $10. Go ahead and get some domain hosting, probably around $5 a month to start with until you build up. And then that's the best way that you can actually make a start if you really want to make money through blogging and through advertising through AdSense. I will tell you what the upsells are here. They don't give you any kind of indication of prices here, but there's a platinum edition on here. There's some done for you edition on here. Easy affiliate profits, 1K daily system, and unlimited traffic. And if you've been to one of my reviews before, if they can give you unlimited traffic, why would they ever need an affiliate to help them sell this product? Because they just go ahead and save the commissions they give to affiliates and just generate the traffic to the product themselves. So that's nonsense, okay? So guys, I wouldn't advise you to buy this. I think it's a complete waste of your time and your money. You're better off doing it yourself, and you can have a much better quality blog. I hope this is of value to you. Until next time, guys, take care.